Simple and effective ways to cure dementia naturally. The people suffering from dementia will experience the pain emotionally, and it is experienced as same by those who care for sufferers. The most common form of dementia is seen as Alzheimer's disease. Although dementia results in many symptoms, the cells in the brain slowly get destroyed during dementia, leading to the non-functioning of brain. The function of brain starts diminishing slowly as the person starts to forget even the small details and gradually will not be able to remember anything and cannot learn anything. First, folic acid. The occurrence of dementia and the effects of it are lowered by taking the food items that are rich in folic acid. The food sources of folic acids are asparagus, papaya, oranges, peas, and strawberries. The person who consumes these items will receive the essential nutrients as well as diet that is healthy. The folic acid present in these items are highly beneficial in managing and preventing dementia. Second, vitamin E. The risk of dementia in people suffering from Alzheimer's disease can be highly reduced by the intake of large quantities of vitamin E. A research study that was conducted recently was found to have revealed that minimum intake of vitamin E frequently was connected with lowering the risk of dementia in long run. This research study was done taking into consideration the factors like total energy intake, education age, apolipoprotein E4, genotype, smoking, intake of alcohol, supplement usage, and body mass index. Vitamin C. The restoration of functioning of brain can be done by vitamin C, which acts as a natural remedy for dementia. Consuming vitamin C as supplement or consuming as a food rich in the vitamin C is beneficial. Vitamin C is abundantly available in green leafy vegetable and in citrus fruits. All these food items function as good sources of vitamin C, which are beneficial to work for improving dementia. Fourth, almonds. Almonds are considered in general as the rich source of nutrients. Vitamin E is found to be present abundantly in almonds, due to which they are recommended to be consumed every day before taking anything else. The almonds have to be soaked in water for overnight and then they have to be peeled off before eating. Eating almonds in this manner every day morning will help the person to develop the mental strength as well as enhance the power and memory it contains. Fifth, saliva. Saliva is an ancient Chinese remedy for brain ailments. It is also known as red sage root. It can improve in general the circulation system of the body. Thus, the flow of blood to the brain cells can be normalized and the normal functioning of the brain will be aided. It is best to use it along with the ginkgo for better results.
Thanks for watching.